Erica Marie. And me make him know her. Me. Even if for me, he would know her. So get your facts straight when you come from my blood clot life. Come type. Then you have the audacity. Your friend takes your woman, as what you say. Your woman show you. All you have to do, tell your woman, block your friend, and you know where it stands. When I bring on the internet and the boy not a TikToker, some clout a chase. How do I them are they with them gifts to them? Girl, you have to go see them and ask them. You can't ask me. You not fuck none of my gifts to them. You're junk. When I come talk on the junk. Come like someone on the junk to blood clot. The boy them not have no clarity. The boy they call them not have no clarity. They don't have any clarity to all the audience. They don't have any clarity to all the audience. No clarity. No clarity. Them boring like capital B. Them can't sit down and make you laugh. Them can't embrace themselves to people. No substance in them game. That's even when the last time him claimed the same class me, although TikTok at 2024 I will go past that. We'll go past it TikTok. I'm just using that example. That's why when the last time him claimed the same class me, him and her so cocky Erica and one big stinking man in a one big stinking man who juggle balls in a blood clot in a box of class me. The farmer lover when him dirty stinking Nelly. And them come out and them class me. Fuck up batty wall Niah. Come out, come class me. Them not go nowhere. And when him do that, him fall off for axis. Because at the end of the day, you was a nobody on the app. And who you used to do YouTube with, never come over here, come sit down and play 85, 35, and 93 game with you. They don't play with you if you don't have any smoke. They don't play with you if you don't have any smoke. Them not sing a 3-4 hour and play with you. So you see all the way you sing and say and do to me, you realize that you didn't break me. You the one that fall. Are you fuck you spit in a God face? Erica Marie is my blood clot shooter. She was my shooter. She was my shooter. And we were playing a match and I said, somebody go over and help him on the day. I said somebody go over and help him. I must about 4, somebody go over there and she never come back. She never came back. She never come back. I don't like the fact that I lose half of you. And the ball game that we play is a Batman ball game, because if you're best friend and look your blood clot woman, you shouldn't in a texting store with your friend. Simple. The whole way a human being, I don't know, we're perfect. And there's many ways to angle a situation. If your friend and look your woman, me a draft up some uncalled for story. You draft up, me never took up to my advice. You draft some uncalled for story. Me not like that stigma there. That'll give me a girl vibes. That I give me a girl vibes. Your friend, I text your woman say I. I can mean she does. I can mean I. I can mean I. I can mean I. I never come with no feeling behind it. The man live with the woman. I can mean just I. But you to show you know say already you are babes. Block him, let me deal with it. You take it up on your head and you're gone in a one long story till the story come out and I say who want go Panama gun yam this and that and they know exactly where your blood clot though. And then at the end of the blood clot day, when Erica Maria flew down for come fucking nobody don't know. Oh that reach on TikTok, no one to know. Oh that reach on TikTok. Nobody no fool. That story that sound fabricated. That story that sound fabricated. And your friend when you say hang out with and all the things them. I believe that. I tell them I believe things that I'm not here. You sit down and tell twice about the blood clot girl will come to you. And the gigolo message. So as you meet her, I saw why I want to meet her. Simple. As you meet her, I saw why I want to meet her. Because your friend and him in her inbox and you no blood clot tell her to block him. Block him, you deal with it. Just block him, you deal with it. You began to text the man. Me text him. Why? That give me a girl vibes. And the woman, which is a big woman, don't tell us, say no. That I got bring off a girl stigma. All you have to do is block him. I don't know, you're gonna know when to approach him. I said, dog, where you gonna meet woman in box for? Me not like that. All you have to do is block. Tell her block him. And when you're my wall, you must hold him one away, you know. When you hold him one away, so to him say, me not like that. Where you gonna move man in box for dog? But your intention are not blood clot pure. For you want bring down smaddy. It's all about to bring down for you because you like it. You want the views. You want the comeback. The story want pencil out. So when Miss Binger over there I say, oh, and him shouldn't text him and him the whole one a typical man. No man no perfect. A man can say him and a batty man, make him in a one room with one man. And the bag of money is right there. And the money is so heavy. And you see how quick how him take out him hood. A man can't say him a batty man. And him and the person in the place alone, nobody not there. No one is there. No one is there and him take out him and him saying, the man start to, say, me have money again, where you do. And him start to think and I say, boy, the money is so enough, The money is so enough, and them fuck, the man are take fuck. Nobody not perfect. A whole pa human beings say them nah do this and them nah do that. And when you check a start them I do this and them I do that. And your blood clot friend, we still on our whole vibes with we come all here and then eat out of that one blood clot. This should reach right blood clot yeah, so. If your friend look your blood clot woman, you put your friend in a blood clot space. How you meet the woman up on the internet? You put your friend in a space. You know, carry on like when me see your blood clot carry on for views. Because 500,000 of the people when you come out and share the story to, now come here, now come over your life, come send, not even tap the blood clot screen. Because them enter the door, them leave. As them enter the blood clot door, them come out back. I have a friend and live with them woman where you portrait. Something wrong with the story. For me want to know how to I know so that girl is your woman. Of course, I have to be the impression when I'm gay. It's after be the impression when I'm gay about the woman making blood clot friend when go text her. Nobody no fool. Nobody no fool. And the same thing me say too. It have to be the impression where you give your friend about. It have to be the impression what you give your friend about the woman make him come in our DM. Or him know the woman page come in our DM. Any at all. I don't, she's not a YouTuber. No, she's on Instagram. Oh, you know she knows her so and so and so on this app. So that means that you and your friend sit down a whole private dialogue about the woman and feel yourself blinded by love. I love blind you know. Feel you're blinded by love. Because you want to make a big deal out of nothing.